Hello everyone, this is Amber from Racing Packaging. We are specializing in packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new packaging. It is produced by a wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. Let's look at the details. One side has a matte texture and the other side is smoother. We use all biodegradable materials, which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. And the color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our product is zero emission, zero pollution, and wastewater can be reduced. It's eco-friendly. Let's look at the paper tray. It uses a drop edge design. We design each product from your samples, so the birds fit perfectly. On the paper tray, we can custom any logo for you. If you are interested in these products and you have required, just feel free to contact us. We are offering the free size wipe and free sampling. Bye bye.